Today, I'm going to walk you through how to log your work time in Jira software, step by step. If you're wondering how to accurately track the hours you spend on tasks for your projects, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to record work time so you, and your whole team, can stay on top of progress and deadlines. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the right project space. In Jira, space just means your project or workspace. Think of it like walking into the room where you keep all the files and tasks for this particular job. So go ahead and navigate to your space, and make sure you're looking at the list of issues or tasks that belong to that project. Next up, find the specific piece of work you want to log time for. Maybe it's a bug you've been fixing, or a feature you've just wrapped up. Whatever it is, locate that issue in your list. Once you see it, click on it to open the details. This step is crucial because you want to be sure you're logging time to the right task, not just somewhere random. I always double-check the title or ID number, just in case. All right, now look for the 3 small dots in the upper right corner of the Issues window, sometimes called the More menu. This is where Jira tucks away lots of actions. Click those dots, and you should see an option called Log Work. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll see the time tracking panel. This is where the magic happens. You'll have 2 fields: time spent, which is how long you've already worked on the issue, and time remaining, which is your best estimate of how much more time it'll take to complete. Accurate time tracking helps your project manager, your teammates, even future you, stay on schedule and avoid last-minute surprises. For example, if you spent 5 hours debugging today but only have 5 minutes left before this task is done, reflecting that honestly gives everyone a clear picture. When entering your time, Jira uses a specific format: weeks, W, days, D, hours, H, and minutes, M. If you put down 5H for 5 hours, that's perfect. But let's say you spent 2 hours and 15 minutes, you'd write 2H 15 millers. And if your task spans weeks, months, or just a few minutes, you can be as precise as you like. Something like 2W 4D 6H 45 MUs fits right in. Don't be afraid to break down your work time as needed. The format is very forgiving. Next, you'll add the date started. Pick the date and time when you began working on this task. For instance, 11/25/2025, 9:22 p.m. This helps track when work is happening, and it can be useful for future reporting or analyzing team workflows. If you're not 100% sure when you started, it's okay to estimate as closely as you can. The work description field is where you can add a short note about what you did. Maybe you resolved a specific issue, made some edits, or just researched solutions for a few hours. This not only helps you remember your process, but your teammates can also see exactly what was done and why. Finally, review your entries for accuracy. Just a quick glance, and then hit Save. Sometimes this can take a few moments as Jira updates, but don't worry if it lags for a second. Your work is being recorded and will show up soon. And there you have it. You've logged work time in Jira software. Tracking your work doesn't just help you. It keeps the whole project moving smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. If you want more straightforward guides like this, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.